Ever heard how kindness can change everything? Let me tell you a story. Shira, the wise sparrow, lived in an ancient oak tree. She was known for her wisdom and kindness, always ready to help. One day, a greedy crow named Crook saw Shira sharing crumbs with a hungry squirrel. Crook sneered, "Why give away food? I'd keep everything for myself." Shira replied, "Kindness is never wasted, Crook." But Crook didn't listen. He hoarded food by tricking other animals. Winter came, and with it snow. Crook's tree was full of food, but he was all alone. Shira, though with little food, had many friends who visited her, bringing bits of berries and seeds. One freezing night, Crook, lonely and cold, flew to Shira's tree. "I was wrong," he admitted. "I have food but no friends. Will you forgive me?" Shira smiled warmly. "It's never too late to change, Crook." She invited him in and shared a small meal. From that day on, Crook learned that kindness brings warmth no winter can freeze. Moral kindness and generosity bring lasting joy, while greed leads only to loneliness.